Desert. Look at the snow. Look at the snow. Look at the desert.
That's ridiculous.
Snow. Desert. Suck.
I know.
So freaking people from Washington. They're gonna have Kia printed in the back of their van. Right there. See it? See it?
It's because they're a Marine.
Marine. Bunch of faggots.
God.
They used to be a Navy man. Look at me, I'm a Marine. Look at me. I'm a fat Marine.
Where are we going? I can't hear you. Bubba, where are we going?
Look, there's cattle.
There's cattle where?
Cattle on the road. Watch for
Watch
cattle.
for cattle. Awesome. Dude, that'd be fun to go down there.
What is it?
It's a bunch of snow.
Are we allowed to?
No. Deserts.
There's snow on the same place.
I know, we're gonna go. Oh, look at this. Awesome.
Well, we're hanging
Can we
out.
move up here? Oh, look, there's another snow over there.
Look, the desert has snow.
Did they let you be in the army how?
You gotta find something to do to pass the snow. No bread. How?
No!
Look, yellow snow right there. How? Ooh.
Huh?
That's every girl's dream. A white Christmas.
Stevie thought it was going to snow for Christmas.
Look, Stevie. That snowed for Christmas.
Just for Stevie. Sleeping baby.
Now, Frank.
You guys ready to go play in the snow? You know it's going to be cold.
Say, let's go naked. Say, we're not the Crawfords. We're the naked Crawfords.
You're ridiculous.
Ridiculous. How? Slower traffic, also just turn out. That was We're slow.
No, just you are slow.
We're slow.